Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Tesla's new European factory is not expected to start production until the end of January 2022 due to the battery pack output. Tesla plans to build up to 500,000 cars at the factory, starting with the Model Y. It will employ 12,000 workers. Elon Musk has given the team in charge of the plant 6 more months to complete the project. Tesla had said on April 26 that production is on track to start in late 2021, instead of its earlier target of July. But there will be a further delay due to problems in getting the plant ready for battery pack production and gaining regulatory approval. Battery production will not start by the end of the year. On the other hand, construction of the main factory structure, along with the press shop and the paint shop, is well advanced. Tesla told local authorities last week that it would make changes to a planning application that must be approved before it can start production. Environmental groups have objected about water use and threats to local wildlife, delaying the project's approval process. A revised application means there will be another round of public consultation, further delaying the project's approval. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.